Hi guys, have you ever wondered how the FDA ensures that the medicines we take are safe, effective, and high quality? Well, the FDA has a free online course designed to answer just that. Introducing FDA's role in public health, drug efficacy, safety, quality, and beyond course. This course takes you deep into the world of drug regulations, from how new drugs, generics, and biosimilars get approved to how FDA monitors the medicines after they hit the market. So, what will you learn? The drug development and approval process in the US, how the FDA tracks the drug safety even after the approval, how the healthcare professionals can access and communicate drug safety updates, FDA's commitment to public health and patient safety. So, who should take this course? If you're a doctor, nurse, pharmacist, pharmacy technician, or a regulatory professional, this course is perfect for you. Though this course doesn't have a certificate, but the insights and the basics that you will learn from this course will be highly valuable. And here's the best part. I'm going to walk you through how to access, navigate, and complete this course step by step. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to dive into amazing learning opportunity. Let's get started. Go to your Google browser and search the topic FDA's role in public health, drug efficacy, safety, quality, and beyond. Once the results have come, click on the first link which is mentioned as epaga.com. The course detail page will open, and this primary page contains all the details about this particular course. On the top right corner, you will find a button mentioning launch this course. So click this button. So once you have clicked the launch this course option, you will see another tab being opened. In this tab, you will have the list of modules that are present in this course. You can navigate accordingly by hovering over the respective modules and by clicking the next button. When you click the course introduction and FDA overview button, so you will be able to understand what is this course all about, and once you have gone through it, click on the next button at the bottom right corner. Once you finish a course introduction and FDA overview module, you will be able to see a green right check mark. It means that you have completed the course introduction and FDA overview module, and you can pass on to the next module 1, CEDAR product development and assessment. Once you are entering the module 1 CEDAR product development and assessment, you will be having different lessons. You can see here there are lesson 1 and lesson 2, which is about new drug development and assessment, and the second one is the regulation of non-prescription drugs, generic drugs, and biosimilars. Or else you can always directly jump into the regulation of non-prescription drugs, regulation of generic drugs, or regulation of biosimilars. So click on to the lesson which you are very much interested to start with. During the learning course, you'll find different sections in row format. Once you click on each row, you'll automatically have the information related to that particular section. Once you complete it and you click on the next row, automatically it will confirm that you have read it by a check mark. Also remember that there will be a knowledge check of questions in between the sessions so that you can verify your learning. And also don't worry, even if you select a wrong answer, you can still continue the course without any interruptions. Also remember that in this particular course, you will have different URL links and also video links where you have to play the video to understand the particular concept and then click on next. Once you have completed all the videos, you can see a green check mark as usual. Once you complete a lesson, you will find a notification stating that end of lesson 1. That marks that you have completed the particular lesson. So I have chosen to complete lesson 1 at the first, and then I'm going with lesson number 2. As you can see, lesson 1 is complete and I have a green check mark. Remember that, like I mentioned before, there will be some videos which are interlinked with YouTube and you have to watch it completely to understand the concept. Similar to the row formats and videos, there are some tile buttons where you have to click on each tile button to understand the concept for each sections. And once you have completed reading the concept, there will be an automatic green check mark denoting that you have completed that particular tile. Once you have completed all the modules, you'll be able to see the green check mark for the respective modules. At the bottom of the screen in the left corner, you'll be finding an X mark which denotes that you can exit the course. So once you have completed the course, you can click the X mark and you can automatically see a pop-up saying that are you ready to exit this course. Click OK and confirm by saying that you have completed this particular course. That's it. Now you have a complete understanding FDA's role in the public health. Though this course doesn't have any particular certificate, but I hope this particular course gave you a lot of insight. Hope you learned some new information from this video. Comment the topics that you'd like to know more in detail, and I will make a separate video that has more likes. Encourage us by hitting the like button and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.